Hello and welcome to our video. So I am Hafizuddin bin Baharin from Polytechnic Mesin Johor from class 5 network 1. So my matric number is 25DDT 818F20 and 93. So in this video I will show the step how to create a website by using AWS Educate and also WordPress. So first, make sure that you have the AWS Educate account that you have assigned. So for example, I will use my account and enter the password and sign in. So after the login process is done, you can see all the menu such as my classroom, portfolio, career pathway, pages, jobs, AWS account, and so for the logout. Okay, so go to the my classroom, and as you can see, it will show the list of the classroom that you have joined. So I will go for the classroom that I have assigned and click on continue. Okay, after that, as you can see, you have arrived to the Baharin, right? And there are account details and AWS console. So you can go to AWS console, click on AWS console, and then it will bring you to the AWS management console. Okay, after that you can choose the service that are provided. So I will choose the EC2. Okay, from the left panel there are instance. Click on the instance, and as you can see, it will display the list of the instance that you have created. So for now I will create a new instance. To create the new instance, just click on the launch instance, and you can choose what type of AMI, it is Amazon Machine Image, that you want to use. So for this video I will use Ubuntu Server 20.04 LTS as my AMI, and just click on select. So for the step 2, choose an instance type. You can choose whatever you want, or just let it be default. It is t2.micro, and after that just go to the next configuration instance details. So for the step 3, you can configure the instance details. So I will just let it be default in default configuration. I will click on next, add storage. So in the step 4, add storage, you can add the storage which you like to prefer, and then click on next, add text. So for the add text, you can add some text. So I will just let it default. I will go to next, configure security group, and for the step 6, you can configure the security group. For example, there are SSH and the other type of security groups, but I will let it be default. So and then I will review and launch. So in this review instant launch, you can see all the configuration that you have set. Okay, and then if anything is alright, you can click on the launch to launch your instance. After that, it will pop up a notification that requires us to select an existing key pair or create a new key pair. So I will create a new key pair and give it a name as and download the key pair. After the download process is done, just click on the launch instance. Okay, now the instance are now launching. That it means that our instance has been created. So you can click on the view instance, So this instance that we have created, so we'll wait for the instance set to be running. So I will give a name. Give a name as project. Save. After the instance state is running, so you can connect the instance to Putty. Okay, now we will connect the instance to the Putty, but before that we will create the private key or public key for the instance to connect to the Putty. So first open the Putty gem. Okay, click on load and then search for the files for the keypad that we have downloaded. So this is the keypad that I've downloaded. Go to server 1 and then open. Okay, this the notice that our foreign key is successfully imported. So click OK. Okay. For now you can click to save private key. Are you sure you want to save this key without passphrase to protect it? Click on yes. So choose the path of destination we want to save it. So I will just save on the download. Save as Ubuntu server 1 and just save, and then go to Putty. Click on the SSH and then click on the auth authentication. Click on browse, search for the private key, Ubuntu server 1, click open. It will load up on the private key file for authentication. Click on session and then you need to go to the instance back and click on connect. Copy the example of SSH-I, copy it just on the back from the Ubuntu at EC2-3-238-235-183 and so on. So copy that, go to Putty and paste it. Then click on open. It will pop up the Putty security alert, so click on no. And now we have gained access from the server, so I will maximize it. So from now I will show how to install the WordPress and other details to create a website. So first we will do the sudo apt update to update the server. Okay, we will wait for the update process. Okay, after the update process is done, so now we will install Apache, PHP and also MySQL. So I will use this command. It is sudo apt install apache 2 php lib apache 2 mod php mariadb server, mariadb client and php mysql, and then click enter. Click on yes to continue. So after the installation process is done, so first we will use sudo mysql secure installation as the initial configuration for the MySQL, and then click enter, and it will ask for current password. You can just click on enter, and then it will ask for set root password. Just click on yes, So just insert a new password. For this I will insert ID as my password, and it will ask to re-enter the password. Remove the RMS users, just click on yes. Just allow root login remotely, just click on yes. Remove test database and access to it, click on yes. Reload privilege tables now, yes. And then that's for our MariaDB configuration. Okay, thanks for using MariaDB. Okay. And for now, I will create the database for WordPress. First, I will use sudo mysql command. And it will bring us to the MariaDB configuration. So first, I will create the database WordPress. Just key in create database WordPress underscore db, and then click enter. Okay, the database is already been created. After that, we will create the user and also the password. So click on create user. So for the create user, use WordPress user localhost and identify by my password AQA12345, and then enter. Okay, the user has been created. So after that, I will grant all the privilege on WordPress. So after that, I will use flush privilege, and then I will use exit to exit the MariaDB. Okay, I will configure the Apache. So first I will do the sudo cp etc apache sites available. Just copy all the command and paste it. Okay, after that we will edit the Apache by using sudo nano etc apache WordPress. Okay, we will enter the GNU Nano 4.8. So here we can edit the Apache 2 with our preference. So first I will rewrite the document root from HTML to WordPress. Okay, and then I will add the server localhost. So after that, I will add the server localhost and also server alias www.aqa.com. Click on Ctrl X to save. Click on yes and then enter. So it will save the configuration. So after that, we will enable the site Apache by using command sudo into site WordPress. Okay, we have enabled the site WordPress, and then we will disable the default site by using command sudo a2 decide 000 default dot config. Okay, enter. So after that we will download and install WordPress. So I use wget. Paste the command wget /home/tmp/wordpress.tar.gz https /wordpress.org/latest.tar.gz and click enter. Okay, after that I will use sudo tar dash execvf/tmp/wordpress.tar.gz c/var/www. Click enter. This is for extract the tar archive into the WordPress site, and then I will use the sudo chown -r www.data.www-data/var/www/wordpress to give the Apache user ownership to the site directory. Yes. Okay, and then we will open a new browser. Go to the instance, but before we go to the new browser, we will configure the security groups for the instance. Just click on the security groups, and we will click on the edit inbound rules, and we will add the rule. So first we will use all ICMP IPv4 and change it to anywhere. As for the SSH also we change the source to anywhere, and then add rules. Custom TCP, change it to anywhere. Custom UDP, change it to anywhere. And then we use HTTP, change it to anywhere. And okay, that's it. So after that we click on the save rules, and all the rules that we have edited, we have added, is already in the inbound rules. So after that, go back to the instance. So after we create the inbound rules, now we will connect the instance to the web browser to gain access for the WordPress. So first we will copy the public IP address, and then click on the new tab and paste the IP address. And now we have gained access to the WordPress. We will configure the WordPress first. So choose the language that you will use for the WordPress. For example, I use English United States, and click on continue, and it will show the welcome to WordPress. So it will tell you before getting started you need to put some information on the database, such as database name, database username, database password, database host, and also the table prefix. So after that, just click on the let's go. Okay, after that we will enter the database connection details. So for example, for database name I use WordPress DB. For the username I use WordPress_user. For password I use AQA12345. Database host, localhost, and table prefix WP_, and then click on submit. Then click on the run installation. Okay, here you can fill the information below and follow your preference, such as for the subtitle I will use aqa.org. For the username I use AQA_org99. So for the password I will use AQA12345, and then $, hashtag @ and also punctuation mark. And then the email I will just put my email, and then click on the discourage search engine from indexing this site. So then if anything is, if all the information is correct, click on the install WordPress. Okay, it will tell that the WordPress has been installed successful, so it will display the username and also the password. So go to login and insert the username and also the password then that we have keyed in. Click login. So we are already in the WordPress, so here we can customize or create our website. So for example, I will just customize your website. So now you are customizing your website. So for the theme, you can just change and you can choose within your preference which one do you want to use. So for the site identity, you can change the title or the tagline. We'll change the tagline to BMG success. And you can also select the logo and you can create your own logo by uploading the files. So just to select the site icon, and then after that you can change the color on the colors and dark mode. So just select on color and you can manage the color by your own preference. And if you want to enable the dark mode support, just tick the dark mode support and your website will have the button of dark mode. When you click on the dark mode, it will turn on, so you will turn on the dark mode for your website. And if you want to disable it, just click back and we'll off the dark mode. Other than that, we also can change the background image, such as I will upload the image for my background. So and the background have changed, so if you want to remove, just click on remove and we'll remove it. After you have done editing or customize your website, you can just publish by click on the publish at the top, and your website is already published. And after you have published your website, you can just go to aql.ng and visit the site to see the results of your website. Okay, that's all from our video for creating the website using the AWS Educate and also WordPress. So thank you so much for watching our video.